Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So a boring day yesterday for the most part, had a gap up, then a long period of chop before we got that end of day drop, and now in the AH we're up to about 561. Another pump in the after hours session, if you will, and our net flow just was not great all day long, very even. Not a whole lot going on. Not the easiest day to just sit there and watch nothing happen. We did have a small red DEX there, very small. So that's our first red one in a couple of sessions. As far as our customer sentiment and our whale targets go, customers are still neutral, just bearish neutral, if you will. We were bullish neutral yesterday, bearish neutral today. Not very much going on, as you can see. No big moves either way, and we're stuck in a range. We'll probably get a big bar with a big move soon. Interestingly enough, whale targets, nothing above 560. So it's 560, 545, and 520. We only have three big targets on the board right now. Moving on to our dark pools, 555.2. A lot of prints there. Make sure to mark that on your chart. 556, 557.8. Mark these. Remember, do not worry about bull bear. Just mark them on your chart as important points of price contention. Aggregate moved down just a little bit by about $1, 527.96. I think we were at 528 yesterday, so still very far away from where we are on price. Remember, the longer time we spend away from the aggregate, the more likely we are to find that price at some point. Doesn't mean we have to do it all at once or all today, but you know what I mean. So, and then mark the rest on your charts or use the bot ping like I do. So we're sitting at 561, I think. Let me be sure, just so I know. Sitting about 561 almost exactly in the pre-market session. So we're right around this level right here, 561 on the ag. So ag is the same as it really was. Thin over 558, crazy room up to 575, which is ridiculous. There's a decent pull at 570, and then we lose 558. There's room down into these small clusters at 545. Next, or the actual biggest pull is 550. Let's see what Friday looks like. Remember, Fridays are always a bit messy because of hedging, so may not get to see a very clean look. And we do not. What we have are some goalposts between 565, really, and 555. So if we're going to trade today in a range, that's a nice $10 range. 560 is the biggest pull there, and 547 here. If for some reason we lose 555 hard, we've got room down to 548. So keep an eye here. Pretty decent range between these two goalposts, 565 to 555. So if we tap one and then hold, maybe we get to rip to the other, or if we get up to 565 and can't break, maybe we retrace down to that 555. That's all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.